Right, taking a new what that plane was, I've just seen. Obviously, occasionally this is the private plane I saw today, apparently. As you can see here, look, that was a Mooney M20P that was. As you can see, that was the Mooney M20 that was. I've just saw coming over. As you can see, I don't know where it's heading off to by the looks of it. So literally came here just about, roughly came here probably just about 75 feet from here actually. And then it came here as we just dropped at 70,000 feet from here as it flew past just over near Stadiums. Yeah, it's literally just flew past 70,000 feet from here as we just saw it anyway. As you can see, I don't know where it's heading off to though. Let's have a look where it's come from anyway, but as you can see, this is where it's taken off from apparently. This is where it's taken off from apparently, just from London Biggin Hill Airport it took off from. They just took off from this base at London Biggin Hill Airport. This is where it's took off from apparently. Just from London Biggin Hill Airport. It's literally the time it took off was around 1:58 PM. It literally just took over London Biggin Hill Airport just before 2 o'clock apparently. And the registration, as you can see today, is HB-DFA. That's the registration for that one anyway. If we go to plane finder, it should be on there. There he is. Plane finder's got it. As you can see, that was a Mooney M.20-J that was. You can see that was the Mooney M.20-J that was. Just so you can tell. Obviously, this is the private one apparently. That's one of the private planes actually. You can just look. As you can tell, that's probably heading over towards. By the looks of it, it's probably going over to Land's End Airport by the looks of it. I think this is where it's heading over to by the looks of it, probably just over to Land's End Airport I think. Or whether it's heading off to, I think. Looks like it's going to drop over to Land's End Airport I think, or whether to Harvard City. Whether that's heading off to tonight by the looks of it, probably heading over to Harvard City I suppose. Anyway. Okay, so yep. That was a private plane I've just seen today apparently. So, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.